Hello YouTube, I'm back on your screens again. So today it's a Thursday. As you all know, we're still trading. As a full-time trader, I mostly trade Monday to Friday, so I want to take you on another day, on a day in a life, because most of you guys have been asking me to do a vlog on how I spend my day and what I do basically within the day. So today it's a Thursday. I'm going to show you how I'm going to spend my day, and I've got Dr. Fernando behind the cameras, so we're going to basically show you how we're going to spend our day. And obviously, if you're going to take any trades, we're going to actually break them down to you. So without wasting much of your time, follow. Hello guys, welcome back now. So as you can see, we had the signal that was sent on USD/CHF on a 4-hour time frame. So you can see the market was pretty much very slow, but now you can see how the market has actually spiked, and I'm in profits on my Profim account. So let me just bring in the profits. All right, so you can see we are actually running up with a 1.5. So I'm actually in a trade. I'm on USD/CHF and 2 positions on gold. I'm on 2 positions on gold. So I'll be breaking down these trades with you guys. And right about now, I just want to see how the market is going to drop, because I'm still anticipating for it to drop. You can see it actually came to react in our order block there. I was actually waiting for a sell to be from this point, but the market took me out at first, and now I just made my second entry on gold. And we also have USD/CHF, which is this point. So we had a nice continuation pattern sitting just around here. We have a nice continuation pattern sitting around here. So from there, the market broke above. That's when I decided to take a trade, a buy trade, as you can see from there. And I'm up with a $500 on this Profim. So I'm actually on phase 2 with this Profim, and I'll be giving you updates because I'm looking to scale up this trade. And going back to my trading view, I'll be showing you guys, I'll be breaking down the trades with you, showing you what actually made me to enter this trade. What actually made me to enter this trade. Let me just open USD/CHF. All right, so we can see how nicely the market has spiked up. We can see how nicely the market has spiked up. Hello guys, so I'm actually having some running trades here. As you can see, we are now actually up with $1,000 on the 1,000 account that I had. So I actually made some losses earlier in the morning, which was on gold. As you can see, I've got a loss on gold and a loss on GBP card. So I actually exited this because they were going against my way, and I just closed it because I was looking for a better entry point. So now we can see how USD/CHF, this was a signal that I sent to the VIP group, and now it's actually in profits, and we are up with $600. So you can see that nice push to the upside when the market just created this continuation pattern. This was actually a nice entry, and I'm still looking for the market to push to the upside and looking to take profits around this particular point. So I'll be breaking down this trade, and the losses that I actually took on gold, I'll be breaking them down to you guys, so that you actually also learn on why I took the losses and also why I'm in profits right now. So stick around, make sure you leave a comment down below. Hi guys, so we're actually done, and now we're about to head back to the office, and we have just actually made $1,000 on the 1,000 account, and now we're sitting at $3,000 account. And I'll be obviously giving you an update on the funded account that I'm actually trading. Phase 2 has actually been passed, and I'm heading to the office just to break down what trades I actually entered and what made me to enter those trades. So stick around, make sure you like this video, leave a comment down below if you like to see more of these contents from me. Alright guys, how's everyone doing? So I'm back again. I'm actually in the office right now, just about to do a review of the trade that I took yesterday. So I actually failed to get to the office yesterday because of the power schedule and everything. So I decided to do the video today, of which I'm currently doing right now for you guys. So we're just going to do a quick review on the USD Swiss franc trade that actually gave me $1,000 on the trade that we actually took with the trading community yesterday. So if you're not actually in the trading community on Telegram, you're actually missing out, because I also shared the free setup in the group. So click the link below to actually get access to my Telegram community, where you're going to be seeing more of these setups coming. So starting with, you can see on my screen, I'm actually having USD Swiss franc on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm currently aiming to become more of a swing trader and less of a day trader currently. That's why you guys are now seeing me post more charts on the 4-hour time frame, or rather taking trades on the 4-hour time frame. So I'll be quickly walking you through step by step on what actually made me or led me to actually look for buying opportunities on USD Swiss franc. So from there, we'll actually get to see on my chart that I've been looking for buying opportunities on USD Swiss franc starting from this particular point. So this was a swing trade that I actually took, and I actually took profit somewhere on this particular point. From there, I actually closed this trade in 200 pips profit. So today I'll be breaking down this pair on the trade that I actually took yesterday, which is just around this particular point here. So I'll be walking you through using the excellence trading view, where I'll be giving you a back review on it. So from there, let's jump to the excellence trading view. Let's jump to the excellence trading view. So from here, let's use this trading view just to walk you guys through on the time back, which was yesterday. So I'm just going to walk back when the market was around this particular point here. So let me just close and just make this to be a bit bigger. Let me just make this a bit bigger. All right, so we had the market yesterday was just around this particular point here, and when I opened my USD Swiss franc, all I needed to do was to identify my levels of support and resistance and actually get a clear direction of where USD Swiss franc is actually heading to. So first thing first, I had to identify my levels of support. We can see that after USD Swiss franc came to this support, which is still acting as a strong support level, where the market bouncing up from that particular price, heading to that current price that we're currently at right now. So from there, we can see that the strong structure that we're currently having is actually a bearish structure, giving us low highs and lower lows, pushing to the downside. So from there, we can actually see a clear downtrend being formed here, where the market was nicely breaking below previous lows, simply telling you that we have got sellers who are currently in charge of this structure right now. So as a trader or a price action trader who understands the overall direction, you get to understand who is actually in charge of the trend at that particular time, and you're able to know that the market in a downtrend gets to sell more and buy less. So from there, we're going to introduce another level of resistance. Just around that point. Then from there, what else are we able to see? We can see these nice support levels that we are broken there. So after that, we are also able to see, well, we're also able to see this nice trend line that's pushing to the downside here, where each time the market came to touch this point, we had a strong downtrend. Each time the market came to touch that point, we had a strong downtrend. Each time the market came close there, we had a strong downtrend. Each time the market came there, we had a strong downtrend, and as well as that particular point. So we had multiple touches on or attempts on USD Swiss franc that were resulted to be unsuccessful attempts that made the market to be in a strong downtrend. So from there, we also see that when the market dropped to this particular point, we can see that the buyers stayed actually being in charge of this market, pushing it to the upside. So when I woke up yesterday, I actually saw the market when it was around this particular point. So as a person who fully understands the structure that the market, after giving you that impulsive to the downside, it needs to build itself up to give you a correction before another impulsive to the downside, since we have discovered that we are in an overall downtrend. So from here, we can see that the market stayed pushing to the upside, giving you what? Higher highs, high lows, higher highs, high lows, higher highs until that particular price there. From there, we had this nice correction that pushed to the downside at that particular price, and I'm still hoping to see this pair push to the upside because we are not yet at this point. So we had a good retest at that point, but the market has not yet given us any retest to that particular price there. So I'm anticipating to see a strong price reversal at that particular point, which could result in us having a huge market sell. Aside from that, if the market manages to break above this particular point, then from there we can actually get to see the market starting a new structure pushing to the upside. So from there, we're having what? We're having a sort of correction happening just around this level here. So from here, we can see this nice continuation pattern here, which I had to identify when I was looking at this pair. So from there, we had a nice market break above, just above this minor resisting trend line on this continuation pattern. So this clearly tells us that buyers are looking to do what? Buyers are looking to push to the upside. So I was looking to take my TP1 around that particular point, and I was looking to take my TP2 just around that particular price. So let's see how price had to move, or let us use the time forward of the two to see how price actually moved. So I was aiming to take TP at this point and aiming to take TP1 just around this particular point. So remember, this was my TP1 and TP2. So we had to make our entry just around let me check my around the price 0. Let me get this. My price entry was at 0.86651. Okay, so that was my entry price at 0.6651, just around that point, and my stop loss was just below this supporting or resisting trend line, which was now acting as a supporting trend line. So let's see how the market had to move and how I go to be triggered in on this trade. So from there, we can see the market started pushing to the upside. So let me just take it back a bit. I was still looking for buying opportunities. I actually gave a signal yesterday, and as well as my analysis on this trade. So we got triggered in around this candle here, of which the market was at that particular time very slow due to because we had fundamentals that were happening at 14:30 yesterday. And on our good part was that fundamentals, they actually went in our favor. As a result, that's when we had a bit of slow movement before the fundamentals, and when the fundamentals actually came, we had a huge spike, taking our TP out, and as well as we had the market making its way above our TP1. So from there, what else did we have? We can see how nicely the market had to push until where we are currently at right now. So we had the market hitting my TP1, and I actually closed my trades just around that particular point yesterday. So today I'm still looking for more buying opportunities because the market has not yet disrespected this low here. So I'll be giving you more updates and analysis on USD Swiss franc as time goes by. And not forgetting, I'm still trading my ProFirm account, of which I'll be giving you, and I have been giving you updates on it. I'll still be giving you more updates as I take trades on it. So this was the USD Swiss franc trade that actually gave me $1,000. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to actually drop a comment down below on what video you want me to do next. And if you like to see more of this content being created by me, make sure you turn on that notification bell to be alerted every time or anytime that I get to drop a new video. So make sure you subscribe to this video. Thank you.